twirls tap in shiny shoes, red and green and golden hues. Click and clack, what a chance to join the fruity tap dance dance. Bananas boogie, twist and spin, slipping, flipping, lots of grin. Wiggle, jiggle, nice and neat, follow that banana beat. Marching grapes in purple rows, tiny drums and trumpet blows. Left, right, hooray, hooray, it's the fruity grand parade today. Cherries cheer with pom-poms bright, eat your fruits for strength and might. Jumping high with happy cheer, healthy snacks are what we cheer. Mangoes twirl beneath the sun, tango steps, oh what fun. Golden glow and swirling spin, summer dance, come join in. Peaches giggle on the green, sharing snacks, what a scene. Melons laugh and berries sing, it's a picnic party fling. Strawberries sing so soft, so sweet, sharing's joy that can't be beat. Hearts so kind and tunes so strong, come along and sing our song. Kiwi small but strong and bright, showing kids their can-do might. Little size, big dreams come true, that's what we fruits love to do. Oranges roll from here to there, spreading joy and love to share. Juicy jokes and laughter too, aren't you glad we're friends with you? In the palace by the sea, pineapple reigns so regally. Tropical tunes, a royal ball, fruity friends we welcome all. Tap, twirl, sing and cheer, fruits bring fun the whole year. Colors bright and flavors sweet, healthy hearts with every beat. Carol, sing and cheer, fruits bring fun the whole year. Colors bright and flavors sweet, healthy hearts with every beat.